little hands may be learning to hold pencils, but their imaginations already hold the world. Good morning everyone, my name is Vanisri and I am delighted to be here today to share my journey as a pre-primary teacher. I have been associated with Bachpan Kukatpalli branch, code is 629 for the last 5 years. Teaching young children is not just a provision, it is a passion that fuels my everyday. These early years are the foundation of a child's lifelong learning, and I consider it a privilege to be part of that formative stage. My teaching philosophy is rooted in the belief that every child is a unique learner. I strive to create a nurturing, inclusive and stimulating environment where children feel safe to explore, express and grow. I believe in fostering curiosity rather than simply delivering content, because when a child is curious, learning becomes joyful and meaningful. Emotional intelligence and social development are addressed alongside academic skills. My classroom is a vibrant blend of structured routines and open-ended explorations. Some of the key methods include play-based learning, role play, circle time, storytelling. These methods help children develop language skills, motor skills and imaginations. Furthermore, we plant seeds, sort waste and discuss our surroundings through hands-on activities like gardening and recycling games. They start to notice the plants and trees outside, ask questions about the usage of water and remind each other to turn off the tap. These small movements grow into big understandings. Children become more mindful, more curious and more caring. Environmental awareness is not taught, but it is experienced. And every leaf they touch and every story they hear, they believe to see themselves as responsible achievers. I believe interactive primary education is the gateway to the new world outside their home. I actively involve parents through monthly newsletters, activity updates, creativity workshops, parent-teacher meetings, cultural and social celebrations. I also engage in community participation by inviting guest storytellers, participation in the neighborhood community drive as part of the environmental awareness campaign. I got nominated for Dronacharya Award for this year. The best reward a teacher can achieve is when a child is moving ahead to the next level with lots of ambition. Every child's success is also a teacher's success indeed. I would like to express my gratitude to Mr. Ajay Gupta, CEO Bachpan AHPS. I also extend my thanks to corporate office team, regional office team, management and also our principal Lakshmi ma'am. I look forward to continuing this journey with love, creativity and purpose. Thank you.